Thirikari ni ingite tulinya tuonde na MBOLEO ya mungwanera umaira kendo Gukaria Kenya kiari mbere ya kamiti ya Senate URIMI PS URIMI RONO awete ARIMI bara paringithiro ni MBOLEO INTHUKU ni barikiti kurewa ni thirikari na MBOLEO ya mpongeli kenda kuthira nende baikuria imirabio urakubatere
na nyumende to fertilizer mungono kana fake fertilizer kwethire ikimariria na thirikari ukurukira ministry URIMI ni shumire na kwira ARIMI ba Kenya nkome na kuga nteto itithire shokirwa KAIRI araba inganitie tumenya tunde turatumairwa kuthithia ungurumania.
So what we have done
keria mbere kamiti ya bunge Senate URIMI irede tongere Senate kumurotera Kirinyaga kama murango PS mantujemera kiprono na AUGITE nteto je fertilizer mungwanano netikete ministry URIMI ndao inyinge mono.
We have now quality fertilizers in circulation in our stores, and we don't intend to get such a case going forward.
Mezimba zile mashimo yalitumiwa na wale wakola, kwa sababu unajua kama hatunja zimba tutakuja kupata mbolea gushi tena ambao tena italeta mambo ambayo hayafai.
We took it so seriously, and you must have seen that we have arrested individuals who participated, including the farms and also some government officers who were in charge of oversight.
Na nkorokiejo kulingana PS RONO arwakire ARIMI bara Pedro bakigurarika na fertilizer jendo kumebuko ngiri 3 bonde IBARIITE na njereje.
So what we have done is we address sort out the culprits. We have given out top dressing fertilizers to these farmers because we found that they had already used the fertilizers already, which were having small challenges. There was some nutritional values which were not there, and we have identified top dressing fertilizers to be the fertilizers which will sort out the missing nutrients. So as we talk now, we have covered around 95% by yesterday of the farmers who are affected.
Na jakiojora na buru kenda kode kironda ya fertilizer kaita konde jandeguru ne Kenya. PS RONO na AUGITE thirikari na bango kodre gwatanira na nto kiombe amwa kamboni ciao kenda kodonda kaira jandeguru ne.
The team we have put in place, that structure will address the many issues we have had, and we plan this time around to have our fertilizers procured and distributed on all the contract to be signed by August 30th, so that come September, October, the fertilizers will have come to the countries.
Report Ranto Shoro TV kumaji karone bia bunge kengi nangine nekine kemusho Nairobi mbeta Boniface Mongera.